G'day, I'm Russell from Dambuster. I'm just going to run you through the quickest and easiest way to size a roof area for your next plumbing installation. First thing you need to know is where are you? Today I'm in Victoria, so I'm going to just work around a quick way to work with Victorian rainfall. In Victoria, unlike some of the northern states, our rainfall, whilst we get an awful lot of it, it doesn't fall as quickly or as intensely as say New South Wales or Queensland. And so what I'm going to say to you now is that in Victoria, if you select say 200 millimeters per hour as a baseline, you are going to cover all of the Melbourne suburbs and 95% of the state. The only places that you might find that it's a little bit heavier is up in Malakuta, up in the northeast of the state. But let's just work on a round figure of 200 millimeters per hour. If you are pedantic about this, you can go and look on a suburb to suburb basis. But if you're just working on a day to day, you're better off just using 200 millimeters per hour as your basis. So once you know that you're going to use that, you then work out the square area of the roof that flows into the box gutter and or rain head device. And from that point, you can then work out the liters per second. Now, the simple formula for this is the square area of the roof times the flow rate, 200 millimeters per hour. And then because that's giving it to you in millimeters per hour and you need liters per second, you then divide that by the number of seconds in an hour, which is 3,600. That will then give you a flow rate in liters per second. That might come up, depending on your area, it's going to come up with a number of 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, up to 16 liters per second, which is where the Australian standards finishes. Once you know that, and oh, by the way, if you're doing that calculation and you come up with say 2 liters per second or 1 liter per second, the Australian standards has a sort of bottom number of 3 liters per second, which then means you assume 3 liters per second. So if you've got a portico veranda, it's got hardly any water running into it, you still assume 3 liters per second. Once you know that, the whole world of roof drainage opens up to you. And so therefore you can then size our products and put them into your design very easily. And we're going to go through that in another video.